Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you from tageero, #1 affiliate marketing training YouTube channel, where I teach you guys step by step how to make passive income and money from Clickbank. Today's video will teach you two ways to make money from Clickbank. First of all, if you guys are not familiar with Clickbank, Clickbank is #1 affiliate marketplace where you learn where you will make money from other people product, promoting them through different various of social media or different places. Today's video I'll teach you how to use or how to promote Clickbank using Udemy, and how to choose an offer that converts well, and so that you can start making money. If you guys are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also smash the like button so that you can so that this video will be seen by many people who wants to learn how to make money from Clickbank. And if you are new to this channel as well, don't forget to leave a comment below, leave your suggestions down in the comment section so that I also know what you guys are interested in. This will also motivate me to make more videos like this. Without further ado, let's start with Clickbank. First, if you guys are not familiar with Clickbank, as I have told, is #1 marketplace. Also, if you don't have an account, you just go to clickbank.com and then sign up for an account. Very easy to sign up. It's not available in many countries like Nigeria. I will also teach you at the end of this video a different platform that you can also make money. If tomorrow's video, if so, make sure to subscribe. Tomorrow's video, I'll teach you guys also how to make money with Clickbank with free promotion. We won't be spending any money tomorrow to promote the offers. Okay, so if once you have came to the Clickbank, then you need to click marketplace. Once you click marketplace, then this will pop up. Then you will see categories. These are the areas where you can promote the product, where you can see a product that you can promote. For example, there's arts and entertainment, as TV, and also business and investing, and many categories. Most of us, we usually promote e-business and e-marketing, and we also promote health and fitness. Also, if you guys want to know what the most product that are #1 product on Clickbank right now, you need to click this search button without entering any keywords, then it will pop #1. For example, now there's research, the Godzilla, it's at the #1. The average sale is $100, and this affiliate page is this one, but I don't suggest you guys to promote #1 affiliate offer because there's many competition, and if you guys are very new to this, you don't need to compete with other people, because you will, if you are lucky, you could make money, but I personally don't suggest. So what you have to do is you need to come and see offers that have like 200 gravity. Also, gravity means that how many people are promoting this, or how successful or how converting this offer is. For example, TED Woodworking, which is a very nice offer that you can start with, has a gravity of 200 people. For this, I suggest you guys to promote, because this has been in a while for many years on the Clickbank, and people are still promoting this, and still they are making money with this. So you can promote this. So, and there's other products that has gravity. I personally suggest if the gravity is above 30 people, that means it's a good offer to promote. Okay, so now since we have the product, we have to choose one. For example, we will be choosing TED Woodworking for this video. What we click the affiliate page, and then we read. Once this loads up, we read about the product, what is it about, and many more. Once we read the product, then we know we did our research, we know what the product do. For example, this product X about woodworking means it will give you a resource for the people who want to think that about woodworking and how to prepare all this stuff. They have a PDF file that has many that you can start building this kind of stuff. And here you will see that the offer, the front end is 67 and the main offer is 50, and there's two upsells and downsells, and there's also a membership area where you can make money from. And if you go to the resource page, which it's here, no thank you, take me to the resource with where you will end up with the targeting and the also the Google, the custom lenders, the banners, the BBC keywords, all the good. All right, so now what do we have to do once we have our offer? We choose our offer, then what do we have to do? Then we have to come to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a landing page builder and a sales funnel builder that is very easy to use. It's a drag and drop, and we will be building a funnel. Once we build the funnel, I will also, if you guys don't have an account or even have an account, I will leave this funnel for you guys down in the description where you can sign up for 30 days free trial. All right. Once this loads up, then we will make a. I suggest you guys to make a very easy to understand landing page or squeeze page that you can collect emails so that you can send them automation emails with Getresponse that I'm going to show you after this. Now that we have the automation as well. All right, we have done with our funnel, which is very simple. It's just an image that says Ted Woodworking download over 16,000 plans, and also a text here, an email. I suggest you guys to go with something very simple because this is just a bridge page where users will land here, and once they land here, they will enter their email. They will be into the get response list that you have built. I get response. It's somehow buggy and it happens with me a lot, but I'll leave uh, 30 days free trial of the get response down in the description. Once you have that and you connected it, get a response into, you click settings integration and you connected it, then next step what we have to do is go to general and we need to get our link. This is going to be your link. Don't forget to replace your Clickbank ID to your Clickbank ID. And then we will go here and replace with our link. Once we have that, whenever the user comes here, they enter their email, they are into the get response list. Then they will click get instant access, and then they will with the VCR page where Ted will work in. They will do their work to convert your users. Now that we have done with this, what next do we have to do? We will take our link and then we need to use a tracking. Then we need to use ClickMagick, which is the best tool to track all your links, and they will filter all the links from people, users who clicked it, if they converted, and also they will track bots if you are using something like Udemy, and there's some people that cheats you and they take advantage of you if you're not familiar with it, and they would keep sending you bots or computer users, and nothing will convert for you. So ClickMagick, it's there for you so that you can use it. Again, you will get also this one for 30 days free trial down in the description. Now for the juicy part, which is the solo leads or the solo ads. And Udemy is by far one of my favorite tools that I use to buy leads and build my list. So here you'll get people that have big lists. For example, this person has uh, a big list, and I personally don't go with anyone, and I go with people that are very good. For example, like this dude, he has 45% people who use his list they get sale. He sells 59 cents per users, and there's 18% people they rebuy from him, repeat buyers, and also there's 2,363 likes. That means this guy he is very good and people like him. There's no any dislike. He can provide a maximum of 400 users, and also you can check the images. You can read his bio and many more. You will get if you use the link down in the description as well. You'll get free $5 of your purchase. For example, and I suggest you guys to buy 300. That's the I which it's good to get buyers as well. And so 300, you'll get 50% opt-in rate, means 150 people will opt in or maybe more, and they always over deliver. If you buy 300, they will send you 350 or maybe 400, which is something really interesting. And for example, you pay 180, you will get it for 175 once you use that link. Apart from that, you'll also get a message from me directly, and I can answer all your questions that you have for me to answer. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you find it valuable, don't forget to smash the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and also leave your suggestions down in the comment. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another day with another video. See you guys.